Hi, my name's Glenn. Welcome back to our Delta Scientific YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk about the DSC501 wedge barrier. This can apply to most of our in-ground wedge barriers in the event of a hydraulic failure. So I get the question a lot, hey, how do I lift my barrier plate so I can work on the inside? You can pick up a swivel-style lifting eye like this. It's rated for over 5,000 pounds of lifting force, and you thread it into the hole in the front of the plate. Then you can use a lifting strap connected to a forklift or other style crane and pick up the barrier to put the safety bars in before you get in and do your work.
Drop a comment below with the question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.